Once again, welcome back on my channel. So we will continue today, and I am continuing biology, and the chapter is the molecular basis of inheritance. So we can see that at the time of the Mendel, the nature of the those factor regulating the pattern of the inheritance was not clear. Over the next 100 years, the nature of the putative genetic material was investigated, culminating in realization that DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, very basic thing, and is the genetic material at least of the majority of the organism. Okay, in 11 you have learnt that nucleic acid are polymers of nucleotides. D-ribonucleic acid which we call as DNA, and ribonucleic acid is RNA. Two types of the nucleic acid found in living systems. DNA acts as a genetic material in most of the organisms. RNA, though it also acts as a genetic material in some viruses, mostly functions as a messenger. RNA has additional role as well in functions as adapter, structural, and some cases as a catalytic molecule. In class 11 you have already learned that a structure of nucleotides and the way these monomer unites are linked, okay, to form nucleic acid polymers. In this chapter we are going to discuss the structure of DNA, its replication, the process of making RNA from DNA, transcription, the genetic code, and determines the sequence of the amino acid in proteins, the process of the protein synthesis, translation, and elementary basis of their regulation. Okay,